Kung hindi nabuhay muli si Jesus Christ, yung ating pananampalataya ay walang saysay. Maraming tao ganyan. They thought by believing Jesus for their salvation, hindi na nila papakialaman yung ibang sinasabi ni Jesus. No, if you believe in Jesus, you follow Jesus, you follow His words. And that is exactly the point of the resurrection. Meaning to say, if Jesus Christ resurrected, the truth of the Scripture is true. Tama? Totoo yan. If Jesus Christ resurrected, ibig sabihin, all the claims of Jesus about Himself and all His teachings are to be held on firmly. Tama ba? Kasi turo ni Jesus, hindi ko pwedeng baliwala yung sinabi ni Jesus. Kasi naniniwala ako sa Kanya eh. Okay lang, hindi siya nabuhay magmuli, okay lang, wag natin pansinin. Nabuhay magmuli eh. Di tama yung pinagsabi niya. Pag sinabi niya may impyerno, may impyerno. Pag sinabi niya may kaligtasan, may kaligtasan. At yan ang value ng resurrection. Meron kang katiyakan na ikaw ay may buhay na walang hanggan. Kailan niya natanggap? Nung panahong tinanggap mo si Jesus.